Alright, we're currently down at Mccars Creek, getting ready to have a look at the waterfall. Rainfall over the last few days, it's quite a decent amount, so the waterfall should be flowing, and this road is really, really tight. So basically, walking very closely next to cars as they brush your shoulder. Fun. Yep.
Keep going. See if it's an easy way down.
I am always the test tube animal. Nah. Unless you go like up there and then go down that ledge and then walk around. It's gonna be probably easier to go where you are now. These in my mouth. That is a significant drop, I'm guessing 2 meters or so, and then water, and me and camera. Not a good combination. I'm down. Okay, now my glasses aren't going to fall on my head. I can explore freely, so. Yeah, I can get up there. Oh, Jesus. Boy, this is awesome. Now I just gotta find a way to the waterfall, which is right there. I'm gonna get drenched, you watch. Just see it through there. Not sure if you can hear me over the sound of the waterfall or that you can see that it's raining, but it's such a pristine spot. It's awesome, and not a lot of people know about it, funnily enough. That's there setting up his camera, doing photography things. I'm just sitting here with mine doing video. How did they tie those knots all the way up there? I have no idea.
These are not ideal conditions. I can see all the spots on your lens. Another day in paradise.
Oh, Jesus.
Nice. Vlogging with a wide angle. How wide does my head look?
Ouch. Beautiful spot. Not so beautiful swim. It was bloody cold and the rain dripping like out of the sky as well as off these rocks. It's very, very freezing cold. It was not a pleasant experience. Other than that, 10 out of 10 spot. Selfie game strong.
Selfies. Selfies for days, mate. Remotes for days.
That's awesome.